We're back with another smart IP camera review, and today we're going to be talking about this. This is the Tapo C310. TP-Link Philippines was kind enough to send me one so that I can review it and share my thoughts with you. The Tapo C310 is a bullet-type camera with a viewing angle of 104 degrees. It has night vision, it's rated at IP66, so that means it's water-resistant, and it has smart features. At 1,600 pesos, that really sounds like a good deal, right? But is it worth your money? Let's find out. Camera comes in a fairly simple package. It has everything you need. Inside the box you get the manual, the adapter, the mounting mechanisms, and the camera itself. It's fairly straightforward. First of all, I want to talk about the design. This is quite different from the other bullet type cameras I've seen in the past. This one has two articulating antennas as well as a red ring in the body. The camera itself is quite large. It takes almost the whole front area. Personally, I'm not a fan of the antenna design, but that's just me. The whole camera is made of plastic, but don't let that fool you. This camera is rated IP66, which means it's dust and water projectile resistant. This is also extended throughout all the connections to maintain the water protection. The camera has a vertical adjustment of 75 degrees and a horizontal adjustment of 360 degrees. It also has a viewing angle of 104 degrees. This also has an SD card slot which allows you to record on the camera itself. You will just have to unscrew the cover and slide in the SD card. More on this later. As for the connection options, this can be connected via LAN and Wi-Fi. I personally like the flexibility as it allows for more mounting options. I tend to always gravitate towards LAN connections as those are more reliable and it does not take more connections on your router. If you're gonna install it outdoors, you will need to use the additional fixtures to ensure the camera is waterproof. Just follow the instructions and line up the fixtures just like this and you should be good to go. This is mountable with 3 screws, which I think is enough to hold its weight even on a ceiling mount. The setup process is pretty straightforward. Just download the app and follow the prompts. It's easier if you use the Ethernet connection for the setup, but the wireless option just works as well. Inside the app you have all your standard features. You can talk through the camera, start a voice call, turn on privacy mode, toggle motion detection, and turn on the alarm mode. You can also toggle day and night mode if you like. I personally leave this at auto. And lastly, this is also integrated into smart home platforms like Alexa and Google Home. So if you have a smart home display, you can cast the feed from your camera using voice commands. Okay, so let's take a look at the video quality. Day and night video quality on this camera is really good. One of the more standout features of this camera is actually the visual distance. This one has a visual distance of 30 meters, perfect for those end of the hallway views. Here's a quick comparison of the Tapo C200 and the Tapo C310. Just looking at the picture quality, the Tapo C310 has a clearer picture quality and a wider viewing angle. Okay, so who is this camera really for? In my opinion, this is a perfect option for those of you starting to add security to your home. Bullet type cameras are normally used outdoors because of its longer range, wider field of view, and its weatherproof capabilities, which this one has. And this is also a very good option for the features it provides. And that's the end of the video. Click this video right here if you want to know more about the Tapo C200, and as always, I'll see you in the next one.